All right, let's look at a little bit on constraints, and it's also part of dynamics. Just a little addition. I opened up an old file of mine, and yeah, so I had already there some things in it. Let's look at that. So there is rigid bodies, and they have some constraints. And we can see there is a nail constraint here, and a pin constraint here, and a pin constraint over there as well. Yeah, so you can have, for example, if I make these active rigid body, and this one as well, active rigid body, and already this one is already assigned. So, and then if I select both of them, I can go to fields and solvers and do a pin constraint, for example. Then a pin comes. Then a pin comes in between these both objects, and I will keep them together. They will be constrained together. So let's see how that works. Oh yeah, maybe we need gravity also. So let's see, gravity solvers, gravity. There's already gravity on it, but that's just the easy way. Let's see what does it do. Yeah, so they keep together. See, they're stringed together, and this this constraint, of course, has properties. Yes, constraint type you can see here, and if the constraint is on and off, and you can, of course, pull them back out of from each other, and see what that does. See, and then also there's a pivot point, as you can see. There's this pivot point here, which you also can change. So in that sense, they will still behave connected, but in accordance with this pivot point. That's this pin constraint. There's another nail constraint here, and this is like hanging something on the ceiling. So if I go back in time, and this thing is then hanging on this thread. I don't know if you can see it, but here, this is like, if I would move this, I don't know if I don't think I can move it in while this is playing, but if I move it like that, you can see, oh, sorry. So move it like that. You can see then it is dragging differently, even interacting with the rest. Okay, a little bit less up, like that, and then it will go with all the fields I have in. For now, it's just gravity. Of course, this can be baked as well and can go to Unity. Unbaked definitely won't, but maybe you can find something like this also in Unity, such a constraint. All right, so there's more. There's a hinge, a spring, and a barrier. You can test them all out. It's fun to play with them, and well, have fun with playing with them.